Hey there, the team over at WORKPRO has sent over one of their metal adjustable rakes. Now, this adjustable rake adjusts two different ways. This allows you to get into nice tight spots by adjusting the width of the tines, but you can also adjust the length of that handle, making it perfect for anyone. This rake is made out of both plastic and metal, part of that being steel. The telescopic handle adjusts from 32 to 63 inches simply by turning the handle and locking it in place. The tines of the rake are adjustable from 7.5 to 20 inches simply by pulling and locking that lever in place. I really like how easy it is to handle this rake. It's just over 1.5 pounds at 1.72 pounds. I can quickly change the width of the rake to get into tight spaces like this here between the pot and my deck, or I can leave it at full width to get all of this pine straw raked up out of my yard. So far, I think this is a great rake. Pine straw always falls in my yard, and this makes it super easy to rake up as needed. I'm not getting it caught in the tines like I can with other rakes. So far, so good. If you're looking for a rake that adjusts to the perfect fit for any task, then I hope this video helps you decide on if this is a good product for you.